In a world where the pavement ends and comfort is optional, adventure isn't found, it's earned. You know them, you love them, John and Scott with their faithful companions, Billie and Boo. And if you don't, then buckle up, cause you're gonna. From forgotten trails to remote camps, to mountains that test the rig, the gear, and their limits. This isn't just overlanding, this is storytelling from the dirt up. Real trails, real mistakes, real adventure. Coming to you January 2nd, 2026, featuring full-length episodes on the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th, to start your year with dirt on the tires and fire in your soul. Go further, live wilder with John and Scott and the Hub Overland Adventures.